Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can add Google Maps location to Instagram. So guys, here I have already opened my Google Maps application on my phone, and the first thing we're going to do is selecting the location that I want to add to Instagram. And for example, I'm just going to pick random location, so we can just tap on the location that I want to add. Tap on the location until this option appear on your screen. Then you're going to tap on share button to get the link of the Google Maps location. Then we can tap on the copy to clipboard to get the link. Okay, and after the link has been copied to clipboard, we can open our Instagram application. Then after we have our Instagram application opened, we can go to our Instagram profile. Then we can tap on the edit profile. And since we want to add the Google Maps location to Instagram, we can click on add link to add the link of the location. Then click on add external link, and you can copy the link right here. Tap and hold on your screen. Then you're going to click on paste. And you can also add the title for your link. And for example, I'm going to add home. Then after we're done, we can click on this check mark button. Then wait for a moment. Okay, and now the link has been added. Then we can go to our Instagram profile. Okay, now as you can see that the link of the Google Maps location has been added to our Instagram, and that's how we can add Google Maps location to Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.